Preliminary source plan. You must remember that we have used this term quite a bit and we have been discussing it. What is a source plan? या preliminary एक plan या rough plan क्या होता है पढ़ाने से पहले किस किस्म का हम एक sample plan teachers को propose कर सकते हैं in the curriculum. One more thing we have to remember that this is not always a part of each and every curriculum document, but generally while we learn about developing a curriculum, this is one of the options which we learn from the literature and we learn from different documents which are being prepared for curriculum development. So आइए देखते हैं कि एक preliminary source plan या unit plan क्या चीज़ है और इसके क्या characteristics होते हैं. What is a unit plan? First of all, we have to understand that this is not a lesson plan. This is a source plan which simply gives you different types of sources and different types of information which can be used by the teachers. First of all, this is a preliminary, it's a flexible plan for teaching. This is not a specific plan, this is a flexible plan. And what is the purpose? Basic purpose is to provide possible materials to the teachers or propose different types of materials for the teachers which can be used effectively and which can be used while teaching or while planning for teaching for any grade level. And definitely this will be part of the subject of any curriculum which we are preparing for any grade level. So once we have prepared this plan, we can give it to teachers and it can be used effectively as and when needed as per the age and stage of development of students. There are two characteristics. While we develop curriculum, we have to internalize this fact that any unit plan, any source plan for the teachers, it is never specific, it is always flexible, and it is something which can be modified. We have to remember that lesson plans, once we plan for any grade level, for any specific time period, though lesson plan is also flexible, but once we plan it for a day or for a 30 minutes period, then this lesson plan is specific for specific class for specific duration. But while we plan a source unit for the teachers or a source plan for the teachers, it is flexible enough that it can be modified, so it is not specific at all for any grade level. हम इसको तब्दील कर सकते हैं, मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं अपनी ज़रूरियात के मुताबिक. Second characteristic is that this is inclusive. So इसमें बहुत मुख्तलिफ तरह के लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंसेस को तरतीब दिया जाता है या मेंशन कर दिया जाता है. So इसमें इस तरह से लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंसेस को दिया जाता है कि आप उनको जब चाहे जिस ग्रेड लेवल के मुताबिक या अपने लेसन और बच्चों की उम्र के मुताबिक मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं और इसको अपनी ज़रूरत के मुताबिक इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So once we know that unit plans, they are flexible and they are inclusive, so we have to remember that these are not specific lesson plans. I am repeating it कि ये lesson plans नहीं है, rather ये एक सोर्स है जो हम टीचर्स को या एक सपोर्ट है जो हम टीचर्स को प्रोवाइड करना चाहते हैं, या दूसरे अल्फाज में दिस इज ए सजेस्टिव collection of lessons which is being provided to the teachers in the curriculum document. Source plan flexible है और हम इसको modify कर सकते हैं, और modify हम कब करेंगे? According to the needs, according to the age and stage of development of the students, according to the interest and abilities of students. Once we are saying that teaching is all done according to the age and stage of development, what exactly that means is that at primary level, students are prone to learn by interacting with learning experiences and by having concrete experiences with the objects and with materials. So, if we are teaching at primary level and we have given a source unit, so we will see that from out of the source unit, what is it that can be used for teaching at primary level and what is it which can be used to teach at elementary या middle class level पर हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हमने क्या कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाना है, हमारे बच्चों की क्या नीड्स हैं और उनकी किस तरह के इंटरेस्ट हैं, किस तरह की एबिलिटीज़ हैं, क्या वो बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं या वो थोड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं जो चीज़ों को समझ सकते हैं, या इस उम्र के बच्चे हैं जो एब्स्ट्रैक्शन को समझ सकते हैं. सो व्हाइल वी आर यूजिंग ए सोर्स प्लान which is a flexible plan, and this flexibility is as per need of the student, teaching and learning need of the students, age and stage of learning need of students. It can be against the interest of the students, and we can check whether or not it will fulfill the requirement of the student, what is to be taught at that particular stage and age level or grade level. सो हम किसी भी ख़ास ग्रुप की ज़रूरियात के मुताबिक अपनी क्लास में अपने बच्चों के मुताबिक इस सोर्स यूनिट से गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं और पढ़ा सकते हैं. सो बीइंग करिकुलम डेवलपर्स, व्हाइल यू आर डेवलपिंग दिस सोर्स यूनिट, सो यू विल keep in mind that this will be flexible enough that materials will be given in such a way that they can be used accordingly for different grade levels and at elementary level. Source plans which we are given, they are inclusive enough. What it means is that it provides a whole range of experiences to the teachers. Rather, it proposes all those experiences to the teachers, out of which the most appropriate, which you as a teacher think or I as a teacher think are good for my students, I can use them effectively in my class. So it is the appropriateness which is defined by the teachers. Being teacher, someone can identify and decide that which of the learning experiences they can fulfill the needs or learning needs of the students or the group to whom she or he is teaching. So learning experiences which are given in any source plan, they are inclusive and it's a whole range and wide range of learning experiences which is being proposed. While you are developing curriculum for any level, elementary level or primary level, you will be deciding that what kind of source unit you want to provide for the teachers, and then keeping in view that it is flexible and keeping in view that it has to be inclusive, we will try our level best that we provide all the learning experiences which can be modified as per the need and which are inclusive to the extent that out of all these experiences which are given in a wide range in the curriculum, they can be adopted by the teacher as he or she feels appropriate for her grade level. So it will be an excellent curriculum support for the teachers to be followed at any grade level. While teacher can select the materials of her choice from the source plan, and definitely according to the requirement and particular needs of the group, and teaching will be much more effective as compared to the one where there is no support or source plan is being provided for the teacher in curriculum or it is being suggested in the curriculum. So now we know that what a source unit is like and what type of characteristic it should have. So being curriculum developers, you can give it a try and you can develop a source unit for the teachers for any grade level for which you are preparing the curriculum.